Hey there guys, Carrie here, back with another video review. Today I'm reviewing these super awesome ice therapy machines. These are total game changers, especially if you are recovering from maybe a surgery or a really bad injury, or you tweak something and you need to put ice on it. We have loved these machines. We keep them all the time just in case we have things that come up, maybe we got injured or things like that. I primarily got mine because I had a shoulder surgery done. And so I needed to be able to keep ice on it. And so these are really awesome because they keep ice really, really cold for a lot longer time versus maybe like an ice pack where you have to constantly be changing it out just because your body naturally warms it. With this though, it can last a really long time. My husband probably, when I had my shoulder surgery, probably changed it out every, I would say 2 to 3 hours. And so that is a really long time. And so anyways, we love these things. So this is what this one looks like here. You have a really big tank. Basically what you do is you load a whole bunch of ice in it. And I think it tells you right here. So you load your ice to this level, and then from this level to this level, you put water in it. So just like you would with ice cream, to be able to get it super, super cold, you do ice and then water up to here. And then basically it sucks it out of here, and it has these tubes that it flows through, which are all insulated, which is really nice, helps keep it really cold. And then it basically pushes cold water throughout all of this. It's really cool on how it works. It pushes cold water out through here, and then it'll take it back in, and it just keeps everything circulating, and it really, really cold. So it just keeps pumping and circulating water throughout the whole thing, so that this will constantly be cold. And so like these will get a little bit puffier just because water will be into them. But yeah, one tube pushes out, one tube sucks it in, and then it will go back through and it'll gather more and put it back into here. So like I said, these last a really long time to keep things cold. This one's great because you can use it on your knee, on your ankle, on your shoulder. You can even use it on your back. Probably just have it up like this on your back. It has all these different lengths of straps, which is really nice. Really awesome, high quality straps. So you got a smaller one, a really large one, and then right here is the medium size strap. So that you just Velcro it to the back. It has that like softer texture here. So you just stick it on like this, Velcro, and they stick really well. They hold really tight, which is awesome. Then it also does have this little protector pad. Because these do get extremely cold, you are going to want to protect your skin. So that's what this is for. It just helps. It has these stickies on it, and you just stick it to the pack itself like this, and then this just creates a barrier, but it's still a nice thin type of barrier here, just so that your skin isn't directly sitting on something this cold. So I do like that it does come with this barrier versus like using a towel or something. So that is really awesome. And then obviously your cord here. So and then here's all your other functions here. It will tell you how cold, and then you can add your time onto it as well. And then to get these on and off is actually really simple. You just push these little metal brackets and it pops right off. And then when you want to reattach it, you just want to make sure, if you can see, if I push it, that little pin will go in. So before you reattach them, you want to do that. And then you just stick these little tubes right back into it, and it just clicks into there. So which makes it really easy to be able to change out the ice when it's getting too warm or it needs a change. You just take it out, and then you can pop this whole lid off to be able to put more ice in it. And then it just clicks right back down. If I can do it with one hand. Let's see if we can get that back on. There we go. And then it clicks right back down just like that. So anyways, I also wanted to show you this here, what it looks like if you have it on your knee. This is your ankle, and your shoulder right there. So anyways, I definitely recommend these. These are like a total lifesaver that I use with my injury, and anytime I've maybe hurt myself and I needed to put ice on it for a longer period of time, this has definitely come in handy for that. So anyways, if you are looking for some sort of ice therapy machine, I definitely recommend this one. It keeps it really nice and cold. It pumps it through. I like that the pad isn't huge. On my other one that I have, it was for my shoulder, so it was like this massive pad because it had a wrap all the way around my shoulder, down to my back, and onto my arm. So it was a really huge pad. So I like this one just because it is a smaller one. And so I can put it on more like isolated areas and then hold it with the straps versus trying to hassle my really big one that I have. So anyways, these are just awesome. I love them. They've really helped us and it's a great working machine. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video review and thanks for watching.